Hey guys, today for our Wednesday's virtual learning day, we are going to practice plotting. And what we're going to do, we're going to use a Google Draw to replicate the JavaScript canvas. JavaScript is what we'll be moving into here in the very near future. So first thing on your lesson, you're going to be clicking here in your directions, and direction number 2, you're going to click here to access the for the Google Draw. Now, once you get into your Google Draw, you are going to need to make a copy of this so that you can edit it. So you're going to go to File, Make a Copy. As you can see, I already have a copy. If you'd like to, you could change the name of yours, but it's not necessary. Now, before we get going, let's take a quick look at our overview and then directions. First off, in your overview, it says to help with the location on JavaScript canvas, we are going to plot some coordinates. Your directions. Plot the coordinates on the canvas to the right. So we're going to imagine that this is our JavaScript canvas, and we'll go over that in just a moment. As you can see, the first number is the X and the second number is the Y. So if you take a look here at number 1, 200 would be our X, 100 would be our Y. Third bullet. The numbers do not need to be in the exact location. So again, we're just trying to take a guesstimate at it, be as close as you can. Now, to help us out here, as you can see, I've tried to label our JavaScript canvas for us. For our x-axis, notice our x-axis is the horizontal. It goes from the left side at 0, and it's 0 pixels, all the way over here to the right side at 400 pixels. Obviously, right in the middle would be about 200 pixels over. And then for our y-axis starts at 0 at the top, and it goes all the way down to 400 at the bottom. Obviously, around 200 right here in the middle. So let's take a look at our first one, and we'll do this together. The X is at 200, so we're looking at across 200. And then our Y is down 100, so it's going to be right about here. Now to plot this coordinate, what I'd like you to do is go up here to your tools, and we're going to click on our shapes. Once you click on your shapes, you're going to select the shapes, and then you could choose a shape you like. I'm just going to use a circle. You can use a smiley face or something else if you'd rather. So I'm going to select the circle. And again, I'm coming across 200 on the X and 100 on the Y. And that's going to be my first plot coordinate. Now, obviously, this is a pretty big circle. So I'm going to grab the corner and I'm going to drag it in to make it a little bit smaller. Okay. Again, 200 on the X, 100 on the Y will give us a spot right about there. And again, it does not need to be exact. If you'd like to change the color, notice your circle is active. You go to your fill bucket and you can adjust the color. Then next you're going to go to the number 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 and plotting each of those numbers out as well. All right, give this a try. Hopefully this will then help us out with plotting in JavaScript. All righty, guys. Before I go though, I forgot to tell you, when you're done, if you would, you could take a screenshot of this and you could email it to me and I will check it over for you if you so desire. Alrighty guys, take care. Hopefully this helps out. Have a great time.